All right, welcome back to a trade recap. This is going to be a trade recap from Friday, January 2nd. The day's already over. Today's Saturday, and it happened yesterday, so I'm just going to do an FX replay so I can show you my live thinking throughout what happened in the session. So I'm on FX replay, premium, and I'm just going to show you what I was thinking throughout the session and how I got to take the trade that I did. I was up 700 on each one of my accounts. So I'm going to show you my thought process. I took longs, and I'm going to show you how I got to there. And I posted it on my TikTok if you want to see the actual trade on the prop firm. It's pretty much going into the day. I wanted to see, are we bullish, are we bearish? So what did I do? On the 4 hour, clearly the last change in its state right here happened to be on the upside. On the 1 hour, same thing. Last change in the state of direction happened right here to the upside. So I knew we had to go higher, or the draws on liquidity higher. We're at London highs right here, Asia highs right here. And I know if we have to go up, we have to go down first. So I'll mark out lows. And I mark out gaps that we could potentially tap into. Scale down. There's pretty much nothing else to mark out. So what I do on market open, this is on the 5 minute. Market opened, we created this big wick. We did not take out these highs yet right here. And we still had these Asia highs still waiting to get taken out. So I knew we had to come back up. Scale down to the 5 minute. So now what do we get? We came down here and swept these lows. So we got our manipulation. We came into this fair value gap. So if we reject off of it, that's the rejection. So let's see what happened. We swept these lows. We're rejecting off this gap. So now I need to see the highest time frame inversion of the manipulation leg. And the manipulation leg was from here to here. The highest time frame inversion was this 1 minute gap. So as soon as this got inversed, I knew I had to enter. The inversion happened on that leg. I didn't enter on here because of this wick though. I didn't like the close, so I waited for another. And there, we got a stronger close right there. I entered. Stops right below the swing. TP at the Asia highs for 1.7 RR. So manipulation, rejection off the fair value gap. We also had a 30-minute SMT with ES at the. I called this out in my Discord, so I literally called it to a T. Whoever caught it obviously profited a lot with these lows right here. 130 lows. ES was below them. NQ didn't take them out yet. NQ rejected off this gap while ES took out these lows and also rejected out. So we had the manipulation, rejection, SMT, and the highest time frame inversion. We didn't have a CISD, but I didn't need it because of all the other confluences. So I entered here. And then we had a big candle. I got edged, and then TP 3 candles later. So that was pretty much the trade recap. Not a bad day at all. Not a bad start to the year.